Today we're going to add performance and improve the looks under the hood of our 2019 Ranger with a custom cold air kit from Roush Performance. This cold air kit from Roush Performance Parts is going to fit your 2019 through 2020 Ranger with a 2.3 liter turbo engine. It uses the stock lower box, but includes this custom upper with a clear shield, so you can actually see the filter inside. The filter is going to be much higher flowing than the factory filter and includes this high flow inlet tube. This will add torque to your Ranger without the use of a custom tune. For this installation, I did a 1/4 inch ratchet, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, short extension, clip removal tool, and scissors. Begin the installation by removing all the factory components, starting with the lid, the harness, and all the clips. All right, push here to disconnect the air sensor harness. Put that aside. Push these two little clips in. You can use a little screwdriver if you need to, but you usually push these through. Now remove this clip in the back. Now disconnect the hose clamp. Now unclip the box lid. And remove. Once you remove the lid, remove the filter as well. From the stock lid, we're going to need this air sensor to transfer over. Kind of want to tilt it back a little bit carefully, and then unscrew it. I'm going to do some assembly over here on the table. We'll grab the inlet tube, install that with the supplied hardware. Now we'll install the temp sensor. Lock that in place. Now we're going to grab the supplied foam seal. Put that all around the inside of our airbox. And now we're going to install the air filter. This is the orientation. You want it going downward like this into the factory air box. And we'll tighten down the clamp. I'll install this PCV fitting into our air tube. All right, put the hose clamps on now. Put the inlet tube down into place. Leave that loose for now. I grab our new assembled airbox lid. Line up the tabs and lock it in place. Right, connect the IET sensor. Now we can work on connecting the inlet tube. Lined up, and then tighten down the clamps. And tighten down the lower clamp. And your installation is finished. And the last step, if you do want to, is Roush includes this emblem. It's designed to go right here. A Roush Cold Air Intake fits like OEM, but looks a heck of a lot better, and we'll see about 8 to 10 pound-feet of torque out of it without a tune required. Now, if you are looking for more power out of it, we do offer the Roush Power Pack, which can give you this cold air intake and a tune from Roush. Now, in that configuration, around 15 horsepower and about 50 pound-feet of torque gain. Again, that will require a tune if you go that kind of power level. But as far as this installation goes, very, very simple. Give yourself about 30 or 40 minutes, and you'll be back on the road in no time.